In a heartwarming display of interspecies friendship, a cat and a duck have become the unlikeliest of companions, capturing the hearts of millions on social media. The cat, named Whiskers, was initially believed to be a danger to the duck, who goes by the name of Finny, but the two quickly proved everyone wrong. A video of the pair playing together in their duck pond has gone viral, earning over 10 million views on Instagram alone. In the clip, Whiskers can be seen carefully pawing at the glass while Finny swims around him, seemingly unafraid. The owner of the pets, 26-year-old Jenna Smith, said she was surprised at how quickly they became friends. "I had my doubts at first, but Whiskers is actually quite gentle with Finny," she explained. "They've been sharing the same space for a month now, and I haven't seen any signs of aggression from either of them." While it's not uncommon for cats to prey on animals, particularly duck, experts say that it's possible for the two species to coexist peacefully. "It really depends on the personality of the individual animals," said Dr. Sarah Johnson, a veterinarian specializing in feline behavior. "In some cases, cats can even form bonds with smaller animals like birds or rodents." The internet has been quick to embrace the unlikely friendship between Whiskers and Finny, with many users commenting on how adorable the two are together. Some have even suggested that the pair could be the inspiration for a children's book or animated movie. "It just goes to show that friendships can form in the most unexpected ways," said Smith. "I never would have thought that a cat and a duck could get along like this, but here we are." As the video continues to make its rounds on social media, it seems that the world can't get enough of Whiskers and Finny's heartwarming bond. For anyone looking for a little bit of positivity in their day, this unlikely friendship is sure to bring a smile to your face.